Hi everybody! Welcome back to the Ocean Breeze Media Center. I am Mrs. Roeder and today I'm going to read you one of our K through 2nd grade SSYRA books, and I'm going to access that book through Destiny Discover. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is to get into my BPS Space Launchpad. And I will need to sign into it. But I've already signed into it today, so it's just going to open for me. Remember, if you need to sign into yours, it's your student number at brevardschools.org and your password. Once I'm in my Launchpad, I'm going to find the dark green Follett Destiny app. Go ahead and click on it. Scroll down the schools until you get to the letter O for Ocean Breeze. Click on Destiny Discover. And once it opens up, we'll want to log into this website as well. So come up here to the top right corner, click Login. Your login username is going to be your student number, and your password is also your student number. Click Submit. And today we are going to search for the SSYRA book called When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. And here it is. It says that it is in by that little green tag at the top that says in. And it also gives me the check out button. That's what I need to check it out to myself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on checkout. And as soon as I check it out, it turns red because that means this book is now checked out to me because I'm going to read it. But let's say that we're not on this page, because we could just click open and start reading it straight from here. But maybe we check it out and we can't read it right away, and we get logged out of our account, we get logged back in, our account looks like this. We don't know where the book is that we just checked out, the ebook. So what you can do to find it is click on these 3 white lines up in the top left-hand corner. Go down till you see check out. Those are all the books that you've checked out. And there it is. It shows up in my account, When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. So now I get to open the book. Click open. Follett will take a moment to load the book, and as soon as the book is loaded, you can start reading. So let's start reading this one. It says, When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. Over here on the right-hand side is where you will turn the pages. This arrow, click on it. This is the title page. It has the title, When Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. It also has the author's name. This one is written by Jamie L.B. Deanahan and illustrated by Lorraine Rocha. You were hoping for one of these. Birthday wish list. Robot dog, drone, computer, phone, remote control car, headphones. But surprise, it's a lemon tree. What should you do when Grandma gives you a lemon tree for your birthday? First of all, act excited. Your face should look like this. Not this. And definitely not this. Next, say something polite. Try, thank you, just what I needed. Keep smiling until Grandma leaves or falls asleep. And do not harm your lemon tree. Drop it off a bridge. Oh, these are don'ts. Don't drop it off a bridge. Don't tie it to your birthday balloons. Dear neighbor, happy Lemon Tree Day. Don't play ding dong ditch the lemon tree. Now listen closely. This is important. Place your lemon tree in a sunny spot. Be careful not to overwater. And prepare for battle against intruders. When winter arrives, keep your lemon tree warm. Then wait. And wait. And wait some more. Once the snow melts, it's time to bring your lemon tree back outside. Well done! Sure, you can decorate your lemon tree or hide behind it. Come out, wherever you are. But you know what's even more fun? Picking lemons! Woohoo! Pick them, slice them, squeeze them. Come on, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze-a-roo. Ta-da! Now you have lemon juice. You didn't think I'd just leave you with lemon juice, did you? Of course not. Remember, those gifts you were hoping for? It's good you're staying focused. Birthday wish list. Robot dog, drone, computer, phone, remote control car, headphones. I wonder what number 7 is going to be. Gather these items. Number 1, lemon juice. Number 2, water. Number 3, a pinch or handful of sugar. Number 4, flashy lemonade stand. Cue a dazzling smile and ka-ching! Count your cash and head to the store. Now you can finally buy exactly what you want. Something you can really enjoy. And share with others too. Aw, look who she's sharing with. It's her grandmother who gave her the lemon tree. That is so sweet and kind of her. The end. That was the story When Your Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree. I hope you enjoyed it. Now that you have heard the story When Your Grandma Gives You a Lemon Tree, I want you to create a picture of your own lemon tree and maybe something fun that you would do with it or how you would protect it or take care of it. That is your assignment for today. This is a video recording, so you can always replay it if you forgot what happened in the story or want to listen to it again. And then you can draw a picture of your lemon tree and whatever else you want in that picture, like how you're taking care of it, what special things you do with it, what becomes of that lemon tree. Does it grow really, really big and tall? Are you drawing a picture of yourself really small next to the really, really big and tall lemon tree? Or maybe the lemon tree is the same size as you? So I can't wait to see all of your pictures. Go ahead and draw them, and when you're done with your activity class, you get to show your pictures to your teacher. So have fun doing this activity. I hope you really enjoy it, and I hope that your pictures come out wonderful. You can use whatever supplies that you have available at home as long as it's okay with your parents. Enjoy! Since I am finished reading this book to you, while you guys are working on your pictures, I'm going to go in and close the book. And I'm also going to click on the return button. Since I am all finished reading this book, I want others to be able to check it out and read it too. So I'm going to click return, and then that way many, many other students will be able to read this book. It is no longer in my account, and it is available for checkout. All right. If you also end up checking a book out through Destiny Discover, just make sure that as soon as you are finished reading it, that you go in and return your books as well. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a great day.